let's go. Excellent start. Woo! Wow. Hello there everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving a 2004 Lexus LS430 on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Nova Autoland of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. All the information will be down below in the description, but let's fire her up and go take a look outside. This is one of the legendary sedans that Lexus has produced back in the early 2000s. It's got a powerful V8 engine under the hood. And this car is really an icon of Japanese engineering. Reliable, fast, safe, and comfortable. Let's go check out the back. So here, let's put this over here, like that. Amazing high quality soft touch materials. As you can see, over the years, the leather has kept up magnificent shape. There are no rips. Let's get on the back. Wow, feels like a yacht, a luxury, comfortable yacht. And these are one of the most comfortable rear seats that I've ever sat in. They're so plush, supportive, and they just hug you. And it is incredibly cozy in this cabin. We have a soft headliner, a rear sunshade, and cup holders with heated rear seats. We can also adjust the seat from here, and we got the climate system here. But even the door, it's heavy, it's solid. You can tell how well built this Lexus is. I think we gotta open the trunk from the interior. There we go. Oops. We're gonna have to do it one more time. There we go. There we go. An enormous size trunk. It's gigantic. You can fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 4 or 5 suitcases at least in here. Wow. So I believe the hood latches here need some work, if I'm not mistaken. But let's still try and open this. But it is very heavy. There we go, 4.3 liter right there. Oh, there we go. Whew. That was a lot of weight that I had to hold up. A lot of weight. So the latches there need replacing, and it's gonna be perfect. So jumping into this cabin, we are greeted to luxurious, comfortable front seats with adjustments. And the cool thing is we can also adjust the seatbelt height Look at that. We can make it go up and down. We have our mirror adjustment, park assist. Got our map, and it's also a touch screen for that era, which is so cool. We have climate, low, air conditioner. We got the Lexus owner's manual. We got ventilated and heated seats in the front. Also has a backup camera, and the shade goes down. We've got the snow and power mode, but we're going to start out in regular mode and then go to power. Got extendable cup holders here, and this probably comes up somehow too, but I don't want to break it, and this slides out. Look at that. A 6 CD changer, trip odometer, and we can make the panel brighter depending on how we like it. But let's put on the seat belt and do a wiper test. And the wipers here remind me of a trolley bus, like the way the wiper works. And let's do a quick horn test, and let's begin this drive. Oh, what a ship. This is an ultra comfortable yacht. It literally has the ride of the most luxurious $200,000 car that you can find today, like a 7 Series or S-Class, $150,000–$200,000 car easily. Rides just as well. We also have the traditional Toyota Sport mode, but we will try the power mode a little bit later. We have the temperature reflection right here, temp. What a pleasant experience it is to be in this Lexus. I love the way it feels. Let's give her... Woo! Wow, it can move. Let's do the power mode and do our first legitimate 0 to 60, shall we? Let's come to a quick stop, full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh yes, butter smooth shifts. And we got to 66.66, 9.91 seconds on the 1/8 mile. Oh wow. Amazing. Let's make a quick U-turn, do one more 0 to 60, and continue on our drive. So let's look at the times that we got for our run. So we did 6.66 0 to 60, and we did 7.02 seconds from 0 to 100. And we did 9.91 on the 1/8 mile at 76.3 miles per hour. I think we can definitely do better than that. That was our first run, just to warm up. I absolutely think we can do better. All right, let's turn left. I love how Lexus implemented a floor-mounted pedal here, and that has great feedback. It's very BMW, Mercedes-like. Excellent gas pedal. But let's come to a quick stop right here and do our first 0 to 60 test. All right, full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Punched right up. 6.14 seconds. Awesome. 6.49, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. And let's look at our times and see what we did. And we did 6.14 0 to 60 and 6.49 0 to 100. And we did 76 point, I think, no, it's, yeah, 76.36, I think, on the 1/8 mile. No, but that's an old run. Let's go. Excellent start. 6.24 seconds and 9.56 on the 1/8 mile. Excellent. So we did that. So 6.24 0 to 60, 6.61 to 0 to 100, and we did 9.56 on the 1/8 mile, which is definitely better than before. So as you can see, the results are very consistent. Our slope was negative 0.6%, so very small slope. And we're doing low sixes just like that. And once we come to a stop, we're gonna see what our trap speed was. Or we can actually, yeah, check now, and then we're going to take off the RaceBox and just go for some quiet driving for the rest of our test drive. this Lexus is not provoking me to go fast. I don't want to go fast in this car. I just want to enjoy this incredible, smooth, luxurious ride. It's so quiet in this cabin, you can practically whisper. And I would happily take this Lexus on a 14-hour trip, happily. It's like a luxury couch. And it actually handles very well for such a massive, enormous car. And to be honest, I don't know what happened to Lexus, to Acura, to all these cars that were manuals, had real engine displacements. They were not iPads. They just had exactly the functionality that you want them to have. A screen, a navigation, a backup camera, easy to read gauges. Perfection. This is exactly how cars should have been to this day. But then somewhere something went downhill, and then we got the 6-cylinder LS, and it's not even close to what this is. We don't have the manual TLs anymore. We don't have any of these cool cars left on the market, unfortunately. We are left with just basic touchscreen iPads on wheels. And that is very sad, because this is the way that cars should have been kept, at least for many more years. So to wrap up this test drive, what can I say about this Lexus? I really, really like it. I think it's amazing. And one of the best luxury sedans that were ever made. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And until next time.